Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing you here today, this is an all stainless steel food grade rotary airlock by Rotaval. It's part of Gericki. It's a British made unit. This is their size 125. We're going to have the actual measurements of the rotor and whatnot in our listing. Has a small packing on each end. There is a lantern ring in there. Small plug you see there is if you choose to use an air purge on your seals. Some of the safety equipment here on it. This locks the airlock in position on the rods. Rods allow you to slide out the whole assembly in either direction. The rods will pass through and come out on the other end here on the idler end if you need to move either end out. We do have the tool to remove it with it. It's operating about 15 RPM. It is a 440 volt only, but it's a 143 TC motor. If you're running on another voltage and you need to change it, certainly easy to do, very common frame. There's a tag if you can see that. We have everything in our stock and process and packaging equipment, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we thank you for joining us for this video today.